हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. You want free premium accounts of different platforms, you can also go to our website, that is pbunified.blogspot.com. Today we are going to show you how you can get free Apple Music subscription for 5 months. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the very first thing that you have to do is install this app called Shazam Music Discovery into your iPhone, and then we will provide you with a link in the description box below. All you have to do is go to that link and click on Open Shazam. Before that, I would like to remind you to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated to our new videos, and we update on a daily basis. Now after opening Shazam through the link provided, you will see this limited time only, get up to 5 months free of Apple Music. Click on try now and then you will be directed to this page. All you have to do is click on try it free. Now click on continue. Redeem code. It will happen on your own. You'll have to obviously confirm your login details, and you can see here 5 month subscription. Starting month is April and the ending month is July. There you can see you will not be charged until 10th July 2021, that is 5 months from now. Continue to Apple Music, and when you go to the account settings, you will see that it's shown that it's a 99 rupees subscription, that is a 1 month subscription, so don't worry about it. It will get renewed every month until 10th of July or whichever date you open the link on. And this is simply how you can get 5 months of Apple Music subscription for free. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?